Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisia.B. So I haven't washed my hair in about 2-3 weeks, and you guys know I usually wash my hair very often, like once a week. But I don't know, I was just really busy and I was just so tired. But my hair is extremely dirty, and as you can see, my scalp is flaking like crazy. So we're gonna do a good detox wash and a bond treatment. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I'm going in with two new products along with the Olaplex system. I'm going in with the TPH Clarifying Shampoo and the Mika Hydro Rush Deep Conditioner. You guys know I love the Olaplex system down, so I'm not even going to get into it right now. These two products, I really want to try it out, so I said let me just try it out this wash day, and they did not disappoint y'all. I was on TikTok and somebody said to shampoo your hair first before you add the Olaplex 0 and 3, and you guys, it made a world of a difference. I don't know what it did, but my hair just felt so much better. I think because you're taking away the dirt that's on your strands, so Olaplex 0 and 3 could penetrate your hair a little bit better. And you guys, my hair felt so soft and it didn't feel as brittle and dry as it usually does. And I'm definitely going to implement this process while I'm doing my bond treatment because my hair loved it up. So if you find Olaplex 0 and 3 doesn't work well on your hair, I suggest you wash your hair first with the shampoo, go on with Olaplex 0 and 3, go in with the shampoo and conditioner, and then your hair will feel different. So I just finished clarifying my hair with the TPH shampoo, and you guys, my hair felt really soft and did not feel stripped at all, and I will definitely be keeping this into my hair regimen because I love how my hair felt after it, and it was good, y'all. So Taraji, claps all around. So once my hair was finished, and if you guys are doing this method as well, make sure you towel blot your hair dry just to soak up all the excess water, and then you add the Olaplex number 0, and then you wait 10 minutes like the instructions say. And now I'm adding in the Olaplex number 3, and again I'm gonna wait 10 minutes, but you do not wash out the Olaplex number 0. You keep it on because it's like a primer to the number 3. So just make sure you get all your strands from the ends to the roots, everything, and then you wait another 10 minutes, and then you wash it out with the shampoo and conditioner, which is Olaplex number 4 and number 5. I love the Olaplex system because it's not a daunting process. You literally just incorporate it into your hair regimen as easy as if you're washing your hair, and this could be used every week if you want to be treating your hair every week. I usually use it once every month because I do have a protein treatment that I use and a deep conditioner. I also have a hair calendar that I map out to see which treatment I do that week. So if you guys are interested, let me know down in the comments below. But that way I just ensure that my hair is getting all the treatments that it needs. So in this case, this is my week for a bond treatment, so that's why we're doing it. So as I was conditioning my hair, guys, I saw a lot of breakage in the middle of my hair like you guys can see right now. Let me know if that's a common spot for you guys because I find the middle of my hair breaks off a lot more than the rest of my hair, and it's just wild to me. I stopped doing ponytails because of that reason, but if you guys do get breakage, let me know if it's in the middle of your hair, the crown of your hair, the front, but mine is mostly in the middle, and I'm trying to fix it up, guys. I think I might just cut my hair again, but we'll see. Now, what did the girls say? Amika, come to the front because this deep conditioner was amazing, you guys. I get the hype. I get it. And adding heat to it just made my hair feel like butter. Like, it was so thick, it was so good. It is perfect for the low porosity girls, okay? It is perfect. Now this is how my hair looked after, and you guys, I couldn't believe how my hair felt. It felt so good, so hydrated, and the gag is I didn't touch my hair 2 days after I washed my hair, and my hair still felt soft. It felt hydrated. It felt good. So for this wash day, I did no styling to my hair. I literally just blow dried it, stretched it out, and left it out for the week because I felt like I did a lot of manipulation to my hair for the past couple of weeks, and because I saw that breakage in the middle of my hair, I was like, okay, let's pull back, let's let my hair breathe, let it do its thing, and then we're gonna figure it out next week because I just want my hair to grow. And like I told you guys before, this is healthy hair 2025. No matter the length, if my hair is healthy when it's short, it's gonna stay short. So what I have to do, literally just evaluate what I'm doing to my hair to cause the breakage and what I could do to stop the breakage, and then just basically go from there because my hair needs to be at its healthiest, like I've been saying, and I just miss my pre-pregnancy hair, and I also miss my pregnancy hair as well, but I'm not getting pregnant again, guys. So that's what we're gonna do on this channel. We're gonna reevaluate, we're gonna step back and see what we could do to have the healthiest hair. So when you blow dry your hair, you guys, make sure you detangle. Your blow dryer's attachment is not a detangling tool. I cannot express that enough. Make sure you detangle your hair no matter if you use your hands, your combs, your detangling brush like you guys saw me use, just make sure you detangle your hair before you add heat to it, because that will cause breakage as well. And even some detachment combs causes breakage, but I just make sure that I detangle my hair to the fullest, and then I use my blow dryers, and that makes the blow drying process so much easier. I do have a whole video about properly detangling your hair, so make sure you guys watch it. And if you blow dry your hair properly, your hair should be just as flowy as that, even before putting a hot tool in. So let's talk about this blow dryer for a minute. I've had this for a while, I think about 3 years now. I absolutely love it, but you guys, it's too big and my arms are getting tired, my wrist hurts, and it doesn't have a swivel cord, and it makes my blow drying process a little bit harder. It may not sound like I don't like it, but I promise you guys I do. I think it's just a little bit outdated, and I think there's better hair dryers out there for me. So if you guys have any suggestions, just let me know down in the comments below. But I think I want to change to something smaller, something that has a swivel cord, and I don't want a blow drying brush. I actually want a real blow dryer. But it does dry my hair super dry very fast, and I absolutely love it. But I think I'm in the market for a new one. So as you guys can see, my hair is super flowy even before I put a flat iron in it, and that's something that you want to do, especially if you plan on doing a silk press after. And I also go in with a round brush. I absolutely love this one. It's by Hot Tools. I finally cracked the code on how to use it. You guys, to get the most benefit out of it, especially if you have type 4 hair, blow dry your hair first and then use a blow drying brush. If you use a blow drying brush on your wet 4C hair, your hair is going to break, you guys. Straighten out your hair with the blow dryer and then go in with the blow dryer brush, and you want to do it in all 4 directions, up, down, side to side, and your hair's gonna come out so straight, y'all. You guys will only need to do one pass when it comes to silk presses. I promise you, blow dry your hair first and then use a round brush. So if you guys learned things from this video, don't forget to subscribe down below and leave a comment on things that you guys want to see me do, or if you guys have any questions as well, just let me know down there as well, because I will definitely answer them for you. I like the community that we're building on this channel, and you guys, we're at past 900 subscribers. I am so excited. I can't believe that we got this far. It's been a while, you guys. I haven't been consistent, but now I am. I absolutely love the community that we're building here. So again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you guys like this video. And if you guys have any questions for me, just put it down in the box down below and I'll definitely answer them for you, no problem. So like I mentioned before, I didn't do any silk presses to my hair this wash day because of the breakage. So what I'm gonna show you guys is how I wore my hair for the past week. I literally just wore it in a half up, half down hairstyle and just moisturized it throughout the week, because I have to figure out what I'm gonna do to my hair to make it grow, and I want to put as less heat in my hair as possible. So I decided to give my hair a break this week, and because of my blow drying job, my hair actually looked pretty good, pretty healthy, and I can't believe the bob is really grown out already. Like, it's crazy. My hair is just growing like weeds, and I absolutely love that. So if you guys are interested in my hair calendar regimen process, whatever you guys want to call it, let me know. I'm definitely gonna make a video for you guys on how to do that for yourself to make sure you hit all the points of your hair: a deep conditioner, a protein treatment, a bond treatment, hot oil treatment, all that good stuff. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. That's all I got for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you, bye.